Power Hour closing narration. July 24th, 2026. Fear is gripping the market at 28 out of 100, and we're seeing a classic split decision close into the final hour. The S&P 500 is clinging to modest gains, up 0.35%. But don't let that fool you. The Dow is outperforming with a 0.5% jump, while the Nasdaq is actually underwater, down 0.1%. This divergence tells you everything about where money is flowing right now in Power Hour. Large-cap defensive names and old-guard industrials are winning. Tech is struggling. Here's what's driving the action this final hour. Big money is clearly rotating away from the high-flying mega-cap narratives and into value. The Russell 2000 small caps are up 0.25%, showing confidence in economically sensitive names. But here's the problem. Semiconductor stocks are getting crushed into the close. Intel is the worst performer on the board today, down 4.17%. That's a massacre. Tesla is bleeding down 3.17% after disappointing earnings showed per-car profit collapsed. AMD is dragging lower too, down 1.34%. The entire chip sector is under pressure because investors are terrified about demand. OpenAI just warned compute shortages will last forever. That's great for NVIDIA long-term, but it's spooking chip buyers right now. But look at the winners powering this close. Salesforce exploded 3.91% higher. Apple surged 3.43% with overwhelming bullish analyst backing, 36 buy ratings against just 2 sells. Disney popped 2.51% on streaming optimism. These aren't coincidences. Analysts are screaming buy on Microsoft and Amazon and Google and NVIDIA. 60 to 70% of all coverage is bullish on the megacaps. The disconnect is real. JP Morgan rallied 0.81%, Bank of America up 1.24%, MasterCard climbing 0.86%. The financial sector is telling us credit demand is healthy and the economy isn't cracking. Here's what matters as we hit the final minutes before the closing bell. Meta is down 0.72%, Goldman Sachs down 0.59%, United Health down 0.88%. These aren't small wobbles. Healthcare is weakening. Financial advisors at Goldman are struggling. Meta's advertising model faces headwinds. The closing print tonight will tell you whether this rotation into value holds overnight or if tech roars back. Watch for any last